Hey YouTube, it's Dimitri, and today we're going to build a quick parts painting booth here. The real key to this is just using some scrap wood. It doesn't need to be fancy. You'll see here in the design, we have 3 pieces of wood to make a U basically so that we can hang the part. I'm going to add 2 extra pieces of wood as legs just to prevent this from tipping or falling over. I am making the dimensions of this to fit on top of my little welding table desk that I have. It is portable, it's not permanent. It doesn't matter if it gets paint on it. I like to have it on the table as well to keep some of the dust and dirt out of the way when we're actually painting parts here. You'll also notice that we're gonna drill 3 different holes in the top. You can drill as many holes as you want, but you just need to have some holes so that you can hang parts in different spots. I'm gonna be painting a car door handle. I just need 1 piece of wire. If you were doing something larger, you might need a larger paint booth area. And you also might need multiple holes to kind of hang this in 2 or 3 different spots to keep the piece from moving and to kind of get around these different angles here. You'll also notice here, we're gonna use cardboard as the sacrificial piece just to spray in and around. This booth is gonna cover the bottom and the back. Part of it's gonna cover one of the sides. Again, you might need to add a little more or less cardboard just to keep the overspray contained to where you're working at. On top of the wire itself, I'm just using a nut that I had laying around to hold the wire so it doesn't fall through, and you can adjust kind of the height. The nut also makes it easy to kind of rotate and spin the wire. So this little tiny car handle needs to get rotated here. But in general, to make a quick setup for a parts booth, just find somewhere clean like your garage or somewhere that you want to paint. Put some cardboard in and around and make some sort of simple wood contraption like this. Again, this is pretty easy to do. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, until next time.